Hey everyone, today we've got something super exciting to unbox. This is the Ziyulang K3 mechanical gaming keyboard. It's a RGB backlight keyboard and it's got 100 keys. Alright, here we have the packaging of the keyboard, and I must say it looks pretty clean, pretty sleek. Then here's a walk around the packaging. So we have it in this model. It's the green and white caps. Now let's open this guy up. Right off the bat, we are greeted with the operation instruction, and I believe this is a guide and instructions on how to use the keyboard. I'll just put that to the side for now. Also, here we have our cable, which is a type C to type A. As you can see, we'll just go ahead and unwrap it to check its length, but it looks pretty long. Just put that to the side. Then we'll take our cable. It's pretty long. Then we'll just put it to the side for now. Then here we have our cap holder. I'll show you what it does in a few. And then finally we have our keyboard. Now the presentation looks great. Let's just go ahead and take it out. Just put the box to the side. Then we'll just take it out of the wrapping. And here you have it. I must say I'm quite fascinated by how the keyboard looks. I'm really digging the green and white combination. It looks really clean, really beautiful. And then this is just a close-up of how the keyboard really looks close up. Here we've got the LED indicators. Now the keyboard also has some weight to it. It feels steady, and the quality is really good. I feel it's well built. And then here we have our type C connector, and then this is the back of our keyboard. As you can see, the keyboard has two risers, a small one which looks like this, and then the larger one. Having two risers, I feel it's a good benefit. Now moving on to how it sounds, and this is how it sounds. Just go ahead and connect it. And it's on. We have our keyboard connected now. As you can see, the LED looks pretty good, but the disadvantage is that it's a one zone keyboard, so this side can only light up red, and then this side yellow, green, and so on, meaning green cannot be here, it can only be on this side. But let me just demonstrate. You can increase the brightness by FN and arrow up, and then to decrease is FN and arrow down. As you can see, it's decreasing and then increasing. And then we have 9 different light modes, so we just press FN and the inspect button to change. So in this mode, the key you press, that's where the light will switch on, as you can see. And then our second light mode, it's just going over and over. Our third, then the fourth, and the fifth, then we have this one, which is really cool, by the way. I think I'm in love with this one. And then we'll just move on. Then we have this one, which just switches around. And then this one. Then we're back to this one. I also wanted to demonstrate how it looks without the flash, so you can see how vibrant the RGB is. So we have it switched to the second mode, which is the key you press is the one that lights up. And then we'll just change the mode. Just change the mode. And then this is how it looks at max brightness. Then we can decrease and decrease, increase, 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 and that's it. And this is how the keyboard looks without the keycaps. And as you can see, this is the keyboard without the caps, and the caps are removable, by the way. I'll just demonstrate with the enter key. So you just take your keycap remover and then you just remove, and these are replaceable, by the way. You can get your own kind of keycaps and put them here, so it's fully customizable. So that's it, folks, for unboxing of the K3 ZU-Lang 100 key RGB backlit gaming keyboard. I'm pretty impressed with what we have seen so far. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more unboxings and reviews. Drop a comment if you have any questions, or if there's something specific you'd like to see us test out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Have yourselves a great and wonderful day.